In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Thinkorswim Stock Hacker. By the end, you'll know how to open the tool, choose exactly where you want to search, and add filters that narrow down stocks to match your trading ideas. Start by opening the Thinkorswim desktop platform. Once it loads, look along the top for the Scan tab. Click that, and from the options that appear, select Stock Hacker. This opens the scanning workspace, which is where you'll build a custom search to find stocks that meet your criteria. If the layout looks busy at first, don't worry. Everything you need is right here. Next, decide which group of symbols you want to scan. At the top of the Stock Hacker, find the Scan In menu. This is your universe selector. Choose all stocks if you want the broadest search. If you want to focus, pick a specific market like NASDAQ or S&P 500. You can also choose your watch list to scan only the symbols you already track. This choice sets where the scanner looks, and narrowing it to a familiar list or a known index can make the results more relevant and quicker to process. Now, add the criteria that define what you're looking for. Click Add Filter and choose a filter type. A stock filter lets you set straightforward metrics like price, volume, or percent change. For example, you might look for stocks above a certain price, with minimum daily volume, or that have moved a specific percentage today. These are great starting points because they help ensure liquidity and align the list with your risk and style. If you want technical conditions, choose a study filter. Here, you can use indicators such as RSI, moving averages, or MACD. RSI can help you spot potentially overbought or oversold situations, moving averages can highlight trends or crossovers, and MACD can help you zero in on momentum shifts. Adjust the values to match your strategy, and remember that tighter conditions usually mean fewer matches. To screen by company fundamentals, select a fundamental filter. Common choices include market cap to focus on company size and P/E ratio to get a sense of valuation. This is useful if you prefer large cap names or want to filter for stocks within a valuation range. Finally, use a pattern filter if you're hunting for chart patterns like breakouts. This helps you quickly find technical setups without manually scanning charts. As you tweak filters, the scanner will search within the group you selected and surface symbols that fit. If you get too few results, consider loosening a threshold. If you get too many, tighten one. That's it. Open Stock Hacker, choose where to scan, and add the filters that match your plan.